Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021-22 Dauntless. Brand new model that Whaler has come out with, and it is a good one. It does everything very, very well. Let's start at the back where it's powered by the Mercury 225. It's a ton of horsepower. This motor is just fantastic. Very, very, very fast boat this is. Great hole shot as well. You've got the fold-down seating, so if you're just out cruising around, nice comfortable seating on either side. They both fold down as far as swim platform. For fishing, you can stand on them, all non-skid on there. Plenty of drawer space underneath. Drink holders, rod holders right here, and a real comfy helm seat. So you can put two adults up here, very, very comfortable with the armrest. Nice high back on it as well. And the helm, traditional wheel, steering wheel with a Marine touchscreen. Good size Marine touchscreen on there. SmartCraft, Fusion, VHF radio, digital throttle and shift, and the trim tab. So this boat has got everything you're going to want. It's got the hardtop on here, which is a nice, good-sized hardtop for a 22-foot boat. Let's move around to the head area. It's a big head area, so you've got a pump out down there, plenty of room to store stuff down there, plenty of room for changing your clothes, so very, very comfortable as far as the head is concerned. They just knocked it out of the park with this. Very few 22-foot boats are going to have a lounger like this. So it's really comfortable, really nice for two adults, very comfortably. We've got large storage underneath. So I got enough for half a dozen rods in there that can be locked. It's got a locking mechanism on it. You can put dive tanks down there, fenders, lines, you name it. Ton of storage up at the bow. Beautiful sound system up front with a remote control stereo for everybody that's on the front. You've got a nice storage. You can also use it as a fish box. Neat. So you've got a sun top. They go right in the pole, so you can actually have shade that goes across. They hook on here, goes up in about a minute. So you got a nice sun top in the front. It does everything exceptionally well. Great 22-foot boat. So if you got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.